Hello everyone and welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. I'm starting this morning off with a hot cup of tea. I have been loving making lemon and ginger tea just because I feel like it gives me that same effect like lemon and water, but it's just in a tea bag form, which is just so much easier if you don't have a lemon or ginger or anything like that. It tastes so good. It soothes my whole digestive system in the morning. It makes me feel really refreshed, and of course I'm hydrating myself as well. I should mention that before I drink any tea or eat anything for the day, I have a bottle of water right next to me. So as soon as I wake up, that is really the first thing that I consume in the morning. And then I would have a glass of tea or maybe some matcha, depending on how I feel that particular day. And today was just a lemon and ginger tea type of day. So as you guys know, I do intermittent fasting. I mentioned that in my previous What I Eat in a Day videos, so I will not eat breakfast. I would normally eat my first meal around 11:30 a.m. and that would be my lunch. So today my lunch is something that I absolutely love, and it is a sticky rice bowl. So let me first begin by saying that sticky rice or glutinous rice, I think it's what it's called, you have to soak it in a jar with water for over 24 hours and then you have to steam it. You don't boil this kind of rice. And I did not have too much of a great experience with this because I feel like if I didn't have like the bamboo steamers and stuff like that, like a proper steamer, so I kind of ratched this and it was really difficult. But I did get the hang of it and my rice eventually did steam in the end. So I love using what is in season. So you will see me using mangoes and avocados in this video because that is what was in season at this time. And I love mangoes and I love avocados. I look forward to this time of year so much. So for the mango, you want to make sure and get one that is like half ripe so that you can actually cut it up into slices. You don't want to be cooking with, ripe mangoes because you're not going to get those really nice slices that I like. And you guys, I have been obsessed with cooking like Japanese type food, like dumplings, the sticky rice, the salmon bowls, the edamame, all of those good things. And if you follow me on Instagram, you guys know I make these yummy, beautiful rice paper rolls, and a lot of people have been asking me how I do it. So I think I need to do a video on how I do that in another What I Eat in a Day video. But right now, the rice bowl that I'm making is so easy, and I'm just doing the mango, avocado, corn, and then I have these nori seaweed wraps, the seaweed like paper, I think it's called, and I'm just slicing that up. This is something that I love eating as well, and I make these like with tuna and make it into these really nice low carb wraps as well. I got some smoked salmon slices, and this is something that I really feel I want to keep in my apartment. It's kind of pricey, but I feel like if for somebody like me who only eats salmon, I feel like if this is a good investment for me and a good buy for me. And I can use it in so many things. I can make like rice paper rolls as well. I can try to make sushi rolls. I can use it for so many different things, which is why I do love it. And of course it is smoked salmon, so you literally don't have to prepare anything else. I'm adding in my sticky rice, which took me so long to cook. I think I will just go ahead and stick to like sushi rice next time, something that can boil. So I'm adding some rice vinegar into that because I literally, like I said, I'm into so much Japanese food right now. I bought the rice vinegar, the rice wine vinegar, I think. And I also invested in the real sushi type of soy sauce, like reduced soy sauce is the one that I'm using. So I just boiled some edamame. So edamame is a staple in my kitchen. I love this for snacks. I love this for just adding to my meals like this. It is my favorite thing. This is like the only snack I have in my apartment except for like ice cream or something like that. I love edamame. Okay, so here is the reduced sodium soy sauce, and the reduced sodium soy sauce obviously have less salt in it, which is why I went ahead with it. And this is from the brand Sushi Chef, which was the same brand as my rice wine vinegar, which I do really recommend if you are into Japanese food and stuff. It's a really nice investment. It makes everything taste so good. So this is my very, very simple rice bowl. Almost every single thing is raw except for the rice and the edamame, which was boiled. But I love this kind of meal so much. I'm thinking about doing one again looking at this. You get so many good benefits from the fruits, the salmon, and it just tastes so good and it's really easy to make. And this is a go-to meal for me, whether it be for lunch or for dinner. So I always look forward to an evening snack, and today I'm doing rice cakes with cream cheese and avocado, because again, avocado is what I have available and I love eating in season. You can get it for so much cheaper, as well as the fact that you can just enjoy it. It tastes better. Anything in season tastes better than when it is not. So I'm doing the avocado, and then I also did a little bit of tomatoes. The beauty of rice cakes is that it can be both sweet or savory. You can also do it with like peanut butter and chocolate chips. You know, you can make so many different things with it, which is why I like it. It's a really versatile snack depending on what you're feeling for that day. I topped this with some chili flakes, and that was my really easy filling snack until dinner. So it is summertime and I just love summertime salads. My favorite thing in life, my favorite green in life is arugula. And I was getting these at a little marketplace that I go to, as well as these pretty cherry tomatoes that were different colors. And I have some mozzarella pearls. You guys, this is the easiest summer salad that you can make. It is so pretty to look at and it is so good to eat. So I'm just taking my arugula, chopping that up. Then I'm going to chop up my cherry tomatoes just in half because they're small. You don't need to do anything much with it. And can we talk about how pretty these cherry tomatoes look? I feel like since I've been cooking a lot now, since I've been living on my own, I just want everything to look so pretty to eat. That is just who I am. I just love pretty things, and food is no exception. I love making these salads because of this, because you can add so many fruits and vegetables to it to just make it look really, really good, as well as healthy with tons of benefits in it. I added black pepper because I felt like if it needed something a little bit extra, as well as this lemon coconut oil, this lemon infused coconut oil. I love anything with lemon. It is so good in salads, especially. It just gives it that tang, that nice citrus taste to it. Then I added some parsley. By the way, my glass jars, I will have them linked down below, as well as a video where I did my spice jar organization. One thing I thought that was missing from the salad was the red onions, so I added that for just a fresh crunch. And then I did some lime juice again, because I cannot get enough of that lime in my salads. And that was basically my really easy summer salad. So good. You guys, this was such a good dinner. It was my favorite. It was so good. I mean, oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with this. Okay, so now for dessert, I have some strawberry ice cream in my fridge. So that is what I have been eating as a little dessert. I would have like a few tablespoons of this. I'm not really into snacks in the night. I just like a little something. So this strawberry ice cream is just perfect for me. And yeah, that was what I ate in a day. I hope it inspired you with some yummy, healthy recipes. Thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more what I eat in a day type videos, don't forget to also subscribe because it is free and I have so much amazing lifestyle content coming your way. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.